Hey there, welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to discuss a quick tip about probability in the SAT math test. But before we start, subscribe to our channel to get more videos and tips for better SAT math score. First, you have 15 seconds to read and review the question. If you need more time, you can pause the video. First, to start with any probability question, you have to define the favorable amount and the total amount. It's better if you pursue the total amount first. You can find that by looking for keywords for the total amount, such as if an amount is selected, or what portion of a selected amount, or given that selected amount. In this question, you can see it mentioned that the given amount should be at least 10 years of age. So from the table above, the total amount of participants who are at least 10 years of age is 60. And for the favorable amount, you look for the most common keyword of what is the probability of the selected amount, which in that question are participants from Group A. If you select participants from Group A who are at least 10 years of age, they will be a total of 23 participants. Place that in a fraction. And you have an answer. You can repeat it. Pause the video for further clarity. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.